Hello everyone, this is Adam Jacobs from the Qlik Federal Solution Architect team, and I'm going to show you the NASA Meteorite dashboard. So when I come into this dashboard, I want to find some information that's important to me. I was born in the 1980s, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to my smart search up here. I'm going to open up, I'm going to type in 1980s, and because I was born in the United States, I'm going to look for United States as well. Notice that Qlik has been able to search across my entire data set to find those search terms. And luckily for me, the top term that came up was country name United States in the decade of the 1980s. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select that. So when I select that, everything else is going to update based on that selection. So we notice here that I can see the distribution of the total mass on this timeline here. I can switch to the average mass total timeline and the number of meteorites. And I noticed that more meteorites happen to be found in the early 80s than they did later on. In my map here, I can take a look at the density of the mass of these meteorites as they fell, and notice that the density happens to really be concentrated in the middle of the United States. If I show the specific location, now I can see all of these meteorites that have fallen, including this really large one right here. Make a selection on this one. I want to find out some information about this, so I'm going to go to my details page. Notice my selections have persisted as I go to another page here, and I can see the ID, the name, I can see the class, I can see the mass of this particular meteorite as well as the year that it fell. And if I'm interested and I want to look at every detail across all of the 120 meteorites that fell in the 1980s, I can go ahead and I can clear my meteorite selection, and now I'm looking at that information. You can find this particular app on our public site, which is found at fed.goclick.com/anon. Thanks very much.